Hey YouTube fam, it's Kalia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you into my office space where I have my storybook corner where I've started my storybook series, and I'm going to do a little update, and I have an unboxing that I want to share with you all from this company called TinyLand, and just allow you to see me revamp that little corner storytime space a little bit better and kind of give it a little pizzazz and just take it up a little notch, because I'm really enjoying doing the story time. It's very therapeutic for me, and I'm hoping that children are catching wind of it and enjoying some of the stories that I'm reading and uploading throughout the week. It's been really good, so I would love for you guys to come and hang out. So let's go. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see me and I'm in the frame, but as I'm revamping the office, of course, I really need a bookshelf. That's something else that's on the list of things, but this is the TP tent that I was able to get from TinyLand, and we're gonna start with the unboxing, so let's go. So it comes with the actual TP itself. I believe these are some of the feet of the TP. We've got the bag that the tent goes into if you ever need to pack it or take it to another location. You can pack it up and put it in this baggie, which is really neat. Then we have, oh, okay, this is the actual tent. My apologies, this is the mat that'll go on the inside for little ones to sit inside. And then these are the stakes to build the tent. Oh, and it actually did come with lights. Now that's really neat. It came with some starlights, but it will take 3 AA batteries, so you'll have to provide those. How cool. So I guess we need to figure out how to get this together. The wood smells really nice and natural. I love that natural touch. We have some instructions here. This is the layout and the instructions. So, okay. 1, 2, 3. Well, they make it seem like it's so easy. There's also a QR code to see how to tie things together properly. Let me see if I can scan that really quick with my iPad. Probably need to move this red chair. Hopefully I can scan with the iPad. So far, so good, though. It's really neat. I don't see a scanner. I don't know. I don't see a scanner at all. Oh, yay. It did. It scanned it with the iPad, and it took me to the website, and then it has assembly instructions. So all you do is just scan your camera, and then they have a white kids TP assembly instruction video. It's so cute. We got a fabric cover, carrying bag, padded mat, and poles. Starlights, rope, and connectors. So these are the connectors. So what you're gonna do is rotate the pole to insert the connector until they are fully connected. So I guess you're taking 2 poles and you slide one end into the connector, and then you slide the other into the connector. I'm assuming that needs to be, yeah, evenly.
Do the same for all 8 poles.
Then you will slide the poles into this outer layer here. Not sure if you can see that, but So now we're gonna stand up the TP. I think I did it right. Hey. Oh my God, it's so cute. You guys, I hope this is right. I think this is good. Okay. That looks pretty close to being right. Then you gotta put some batteries in this light. So we're opening the cute stars. Gain access to it. Little clip. Oh, it's the slide, push slide. Install battery. Slide it back on. No. These are pretty. Douglas, no. Mind your business. So how cute is this? Like, this is super cute. Got a little bit of lighting. It's really cute. And then we can add a little bit more decor. Some flowers. Pizzazz. Very beautiful. How gorgeous is that? Yeah, that's pretty. Very beautiful. All right, and then we'll take the mat and put that on the mat. And put the mat inside of there. that if you want. And so voila, there you have it. It's so cute. It's got little windows, little nooks to put things in. So all in all, it's very cute. Let me know your thoughts. I really think it's beautiful. Here's the view from the side. It has like a little cute window. It's really cute, and like I said, it has pockets so you can put cute stuffed animals or dolls on the inside. So it's really nice. A lot of good space for your littles. And yeah, it's really beautiful. Alright. So basically that's it for the unboxing of the TP tent, and it's just a nice touch on a cool kids corner or storybook corner if you need, or for the playroom. And I will have a link down below where you can find this tent with actually a discount code, and it will be Kalia10, and I'll have that all linked down in the description below. Thank you so much for being with me and coming back and tuning in to my channel. Until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.